Hello, my name is John Griffin Donlin. A lot of people call me Dr.Leisure. I like to make these short videos on a variety of topics: fashion, travel, technology. I like to make these short videos and I hope you like watching them. But if you don't, that's fine too. The somewhat oddly shaped multi-tool, which oscillates rather than rotating or reciprocating, powered by battery or power cord, is all the rage now. Aside from the Ryobi I bought, largely in keeping with the battery ecosystem I've already engaged, some of the most popular brands include Black & Decker, Bosch, DeWalt, Makita, and Milwaukee. In addition, smaller brands and manufacturers also offer oscillating multi-tools, making the total number of choices likely in the dozens. Already a well-established manufacturer, in 1968, Ryobi began producing power tools. It was acquired by Techtronic Industries in about 2000 and then paired with Home Depot, anchoring their retail presence in North America. The Ryobi multi-tool itself was introduced in 2018. This Ryobi multi-tool is ergonomic, has good build quality, seems robust, and even with the battery is not too heavy for my intended uses. Multi-tool refers to the many functions that this thing can perform with its ever-growing range of attachments available for sawing, sanding, rasping, grinding, scraping, cutting, polishing, and who knows what else. I found that it's widely imagined that this gizmo devolved from so-called bone saws, maybe because the original tool is nicknamed a bone saw, though that's not its function. At least one source writes that this type of oscillating tool was originally developed by the German manufacturer Fine in 1967, with a design intended to remove plaster cast easily without cutting the patience. Some illustrations are more like a typical hand drill, however, not the long sweet potato sort of thing currently more popular. Development, appreciation, and utility expansion was rapid. The site allfastener.com explains Fine's plaster cast saw sped up the process of cast removal and saved patients from further injury, and is still in use today through medical tech companies Stryker and others. Through close collaboration with the automotive industry, Fine eventually migrated the concept to the construction and trades market with the production of the first oscillating cutting tool in 1985. Born as the automotive body saw, the tool was designed for safe, non-damaging removal of windows that had been glued into place with silicone, while Fine sets the benchmark with premium tools for the trades. Big hitters such as Bosch, Milwaukee, Porter-Cable, and even Dremel have released their own version of the product, and an explosion on the OEM market saw the shelves at hardware stores fill up with budget-conscious options from Obit, AEG, and the like. Now these things seem almost as commonplace as Sawzall-type reciprocating tools.